Well, what a terrific year it's been for Thongchai Jaidee. Victories in Bali and Jeju, a record-breaking third Asian Tour Order of Merit title, and the first man to surpass $3 million in earnings in the region. And the best is still ahead of him, so says the Thai. Physically and mentally, Thongchai has never been in better shape. All the hours spent toiling at the gym have clearly paid off. At the age of 40, the man himself argues that he's now playing the best golf of his life. Better than in 2001 and 2004, when he won his previous merit accolades. As he looks ahead to 2010 and reassesses his goals, there's a sprightly spring in his step. And why not? Number one on his to-do list is cementing his place in the world's top 50, and number two is to win a major. Listening to Thongchai talk, you sense there's a belief that his ambitions are genuinely attainable. Roll on Augusta National and St Andrews 2010.
Asian Golf TV. All golf, all day.